Happn Dating App Review. So you're tired of swiping endlessly on dating apps with zero luck, right? Let's see if Happn is actually the app that connects you to the real people nearby. You open the Happn and it's super simple. It tracks people you've crossed paths with in real life and shows you their profiles. No fake locations, no endless random swiping. It's all real people you might actually bump into. You upload a few photos, write a short bio, and you're ready to start matching. Every time you pass someone who else and Happn, their profile pops up in your timeline. You can like them discreetly, and if they like you back, boom, you get a match. The location-based feature makes it feel like the app is bringing your social life to you instead of you're chasing it. You can send hello messages to break the ice, or use the secret crush features to secretly pick people you're interested in. If they pick you too, it's a match. The app also has some premium perks like seeing who liked your replies and extra visibility boost if you want to step up your game. Not gonna lie, the app works best in bigger cities. If you're somewhere rural, you might not see many matches, and while the location features is fun, it can feel a bit too close for comfort if you value privacy. Also, some people don't respond, which can be frustrating, but that's dating in general, right? So, should you use Happn? Absolutely. If you're in a city and want to meet people who are actually near you, this app makes dating feel more real. To get the best results, make sure your profile photos are clear and varied, and write a bio that shows your personality. Don't be afraid to send hello messages. A small nudge can start a conversation. Keep an eye on the app daily because new matches shows up constantly. And remember, Happn works best when you're active and exploring. Every coffee shop, gym, or event you go to could lead to a new connection. So give it a try, see who you bump into, and tell me in the comments about your matches. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell if you want for more honest app reviews that actually help you find love. And that's it.